guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ADIDAS ZX 2K BOOST Utility GORETEX. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop us some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we ain't able to do this. Thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the ADIDAS ZX 2K BOOST Utility GORETEX, or it's GTX, but GTX is short for Gore-Tex, for those that don't know. So today we've got a look at this in the beige tone called black colorway. We've got this in the UK size 8, so US 8.5, French 42, but it's European, so it's European 42. And let's get unboxing. So here it is in all its hunter glory, I want to call it. You got that digital outprint here on the upper, but we'll get into that nitty gritty in a bit. So we'll start with the outsole. So starting with that outsole, it's an all rubber outsole. You can see the heavy tread. Obviously this was built for hiking. We've seen hiking, it's such a big trend nowadays all around the world. People have been hiking, doing a bit their trail walks around the forests, any bits on the mountainside, wherever's close to you really. And you can see loads of brands, they're trying to sell to that market now. And with all that said, you got all this heavy lug, nice traction on the outsole here. For the grip, you're going to be doing a lot of walking in such treacherous conditions, hopefully. That's what these were built for. Now we move along onto the midsole. So this midsole is made out of our favorite technology here at Oneupreviewz, BOOST. Now BOOST to me is the most comfy midsole since the air bubble. You know, might be a shot at Nike, but I do like a ADIDAS BOOST midsole. And you can see it here on the outsole again, you can see the little pockets, but it's predominantly shown at the front of the sneaker here. Now that rubber outsole continues all the way up onto the back of the sneaker towards this heel clip, gives it more sturdy and pretty much more protection for that side of your foot. The upper, made out of Gore-Tex, is in the name. What do we know Gore-Tex for? Protecting you from harsh weather conditions. This is water resistant, so you've got that heavy Gore-Tex lining on the upper, you can see it there, in this nice camo digital print here. Now you've got the Gore-Tex logo on the medial side and the name of the sneaker on the lateral sides. Now essentially this upper, this is an all textile material. That's what Gore-Tex is. It's just the treatment and heaviness of the materials. All synthetic, all man-made, and if you were to unzip it, you got the second tongue, the main tongue is just underneath. You can wear it however you like, but I think I'll be wearing it with the zip all the way up. Get it. Nice thick round laces that go around the upper, make your feet more secure in these sneakers. We go back. So what we know the ZX for is one of those old school running sneakers. Now they're famous for having this iconic shaped heel. So you'll find them in a lot of the ZX sneakers. This is no different. Obviously this is the ZX GTX, ZX 2K BOOST, and we have done the 2K BOOST. Have a little look at that bad boy there. I liked it, it was a nice red colorway. But this, obviously built for the winter, harsh conditions, built for hiking. That's what we love to see. I'm getting ahead of myself, so we'll just look at the insole. Very nicely padded around the ankle area here. On the insole, you got the ADIDAS logo with the Gore-Tex logo. And more or less, that rounds off my review. Totally forgot to mention, so in the front of the toe panel area, here in the toe box, it is made from, again, synthetic materials with the ADIDAS logo pressed on there. Now, move on to footage of me wearing these. I can't wait to show you guys how these look on. Done tons and tons and tons of hiking reviews, hiking sneakers, all those brands like Salomon, Nike ACG. We have done a previous Adidas hiking sneaker as well. So check those out if you ever got the chance and you want to see my pretty face. It'll be nice to see your face as well watching my videos. All that said, show you footage of me wearing these and styling them on. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. I am a European 42, which is a UK size 8, and this is the right size for me. My toes are where they need to be. And in regards to the comfortability, how it feels on, I think these really look good on. I wish I had some proper hiking trousers on, but I don't, unfortunately, not today. I'm wearing, for those wondering, I'm wearing a pair of Edwin ED55 made in Tokyo. No, it's made in Japan jeans. Had to throw that out there. Sorry, just like that subtle flex. But in regards to these are really nice, comfy. Didn't expect anything less from a pair of Adidas Boosts. You can feel it at that heel, all around on the underside of the foot. Very comfy, guys. If you were to do a lot of movement, you can feel that energy, prop yourself back up. That's what Boost is for. When it comes to that zip, I found it a tiny bit difficult to put back on. But you guys don't have to do it. I mean, you can just leave it like that if you want. It is a bit tight, I'm not gonna lie, at the top of my feet. Again, you can just adjust that by unzipping it. Either way, I think this really looks cool. It's very on trend at the minute with all that hiking hype, I guess. I don't know what to call it. It's a trend at the minute, isn't it? But I think this is a really dope color in this digital print camo. Play a lot of Warzone, so I'm trying to put that on my guns. Though I don't promote gun violence, by the way. We don't promote violence, but it's a fun game. And with all that said, give me the 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.